Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create YouTube Shorts just using free AI tools. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. So first of all, open up any of your browser and search for Flicky. Creating captivating YouTube Shorts has never been easier thanks to Flicky, the cutting-edge AI-powered website that offers a seamless and free experience for content creators. With Flicky, users can unleash their creativity and produce engaging YouTube Shorts that leave a lasting impact on their audience. It's a great site on which you can create a free account to use it, and of course there's also a paid plan if you think you want it. It's about $6 a month right now, so technically it's very cheap. Alright guys, so after logging in, the interface will be something like this. There are some samples you are given by the website itself. To create a new project, simply click on the new file button at the top. Then a pop-up will show up asking you to type in the name and also select the type of your profile you are creating. There are two options available you can choose from: audio and video. Simply click on the create button. The editor inside the Flicky AI will look something like this. At the right side, the editor is present, while on the left side, you can add the script you want the AI to read. To create a script from scratch, you can use an AI-powered website or you can manually write it. If you prefer it like that, in my case, I've used the AI-powered tool named ChatGPT. ChatGPT, powered by the advanced GPT 3.5 architecture, is a versatile language model capable of performing a wide range of tasks. It can answer questions, engage in meaningful conversations, and provide accurate information on various topics. With its natural language understanding, ChatGPT comprehends context and nuances, allowing for and contextually relevant responses. In simple words, it's a game changer for content writers. Go and check it out, obviously, if you didn't knew about it till now. Anyways, I'll simply type in the topic of my YouTube short video and press enter to make the magic happen. And after it's done writing, I'll simply copy a bit of text just for the sake of tutorial. What you need to do is just paste the text inside the dialog box available and press enter. The AI will detect the ending and starting of the paragraph and align it in the correct manner. As you can see that the dimensions of the canvas is not correct, you can change it like this to anything you like. After that, simply click on the image box at the end of each dialog box to add videos to the blank canvas. You can choose the video from the library on Flicky and just add them like this. You can add them to individual script paragraphs in order you want. You can also use the AI video assigning option at the bottom of the canvas. And that's how you can create a YouTube short in under a minute. There is another AI tool you can use to create YouTube Shorts online for free. The website is called Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a dynamic and user-friendly website that offers a comprehensive suite of video editing tools and features. With Clipchamp, users can effortlessly edit, compress, and convert videos without the need of complex software installation. The website's interface allows users to quickly navigate through the various editing options, making it accessible even to those with limited video editing experience. Clipchamp offers a wide range of editing capabilities, including trimming, cropping, adding text and captions, applying filters and effects, and adjusting audio levels. Moreover, it provides a vast library of stock media assets, including audio tracks and stock videos to enhance the editing process. Once the editing is complete, Clipchamp enables users to export their videos in different formats and resolutions. ensuring compatibility with various platforms and devices. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive editing tools, Clipchamp empowers users to create more professional-looking videos effortlessly. The interface of the website looks something like this. To create YouTube Shorts, simply click on the YouTube icon and select template. But you can see that there's no YouTube Shorts template. What you need to do is go back and select the TikTok portrait template, as the dimensions are identical. The editor will look something like this. You can delete all of the predefined files on the timeline of the editor to start from scratch. Now, go to the left side menu and select media options you would prefer. You can also choose from its stock videos if you like, but you can also download stock videos from the website known as Pixels. Open the first site and search for the keyword of your video's title and download the video you like. After downloading the video, just add them to the media folder like this. After that, dragging them onto the timeline. To add audio, you can go to the record and audio section on the left side menu. Then select the last option named text to speech. Then simply paste the script of your video and toggle on the preferred settings within the dialog box and save them. And you are done. And that's how you can create YouTube Shorts just using free AI tools. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.